Standard 10th, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 2, Pythagoras Theorem. Let us start with Pythagoras Theorem. Students, we are going to learn about Pythagorean triplets. We have already learned in previous year about the right angle triangle and about the Pythagoras theorem. Now students, let us see about the Pythagorean theorem. In a right angle triangle, two sides are at right angle to each other and the third side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. The relation between these sides was discovered by the Greek mathematician Pythagoras. This theorem is perhaps one of the oldest theorems known and used by ancient civilization. Pythagoras theorem can be proved by various methods. Let us see Pythagorean triplets. Now, students, the Greek mathematician Pythagoras, while drawing the right angle triangle with a stick, he drew the squares along sides, that is, one bigger and two smaller, that is 3, 4 and 5. He found that the sum of the bigger square is equal to the square of the two smaller square. So the area of the larger square is equal to sum of the areas of two smaller square. He found this with the other two examples. So therefore the set of number 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15 were termed to be known as Pythagorean triplets. Now with the help of some examples, we will find out and determine some Pythagorean triplets. So let's see the example. Here we have sides of triangles are given below. Determine which of them are right angle triangles. First is 8, 15, 17, second is 11, 12 and 15. Solution. Let's see the first one. We have 8, 15 and 17. Now let's see the smaller one, 8 and 15. The square of 8 square plus 15 square. The sum of this square, 8 square is 64 plus 15 square is 225, which is equal to 289. The square of 17 is 289. So therefore we get the sum 8, 15 and 17 are the sides of a right angle triangle. Now let's see the second one, 11, 12 and 15. Here the smaller sides are 11 square plus 12 square. 11 square is 121 plus 12 square is 144, which is equal to 265. 15 square is equal to 225. Here 11 square, the sum of 11 square plus 12 square is not equal to 15 square. Therefore, we can say that the triangle with side 11, 12, 15 is not a right angle triangle. Now let's see students, we have already learned about this theorem, that is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle and 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. Theorem. If the angle of a triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, then the sides opposite is equal to half the hypotenuse and the side opposite to 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse. Example, in triangle RST, angle S is equal to 90 degree, angle T is equal to 30 degree and RT is equal to 12. Then find RS and ST. Solution. In triangle RST, we know that angle S is 90 degree, angle T is 30 degree. Therefore, the remaining angle is angle R, which is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle RST, we know it is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So according to that property 30, 60, the side opposite to 30 degree is RS, which is half the hypotenuse RT, which is equal to 6. Similarly, the side opposite to 60 degree is ST, which is root 3 upon 2 times into the hypotenuse. RT value is 12, so therefore ST is equal to 6 root 3. Answer: RS is equal to 6 and ST is equal to 6 root 3. So these examples we have seen how to use 30, 60, 90 degree. So similarly we can also use 45, 45, 90 degree property. Thank you.